Hi lovies, welcome back. So we finally have a makeup tutorial. I know, I'm just as shooketh as you. I think the last time I filmed a makeup tutorial was last year. So it's been a hot minute since I sat down and filmed a makeup tutorial, but I'm super excited. I'm really feeling this look right now. It's very summer, very bronzy, very glittery, very glowy. I was trying to match my top, having a little sunflower moment today. I'm really excited though, and I'm finally happy to be filming makeup tutorials again. So if you want to see how I created this I'm like voguing right there, this very bronzy, summery, glowy, glittery makeup look, then just keep watching. So I already have the majority of my brows done. All I gotta do is just set them. So I'm using the E.L.F Clear Brow and Lash Mascara, and we're just gonna set them and make them look a little fluffier and featherier. To clean up my brows, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. I also use this as a base for my eyeshadow as well, so I kind of get double usage out of it. So I'm just going to apply it there and then use a flat brush to clean up the brows, and then I'm just going to pat it out on my eyelid so I can have a base for my shadow. For shadow, I'm going in with the Sienna's palette from Profusion Cosmetics. These palettes are super inexpensive, but super bomb. So I'm going in with the shade Polite, which is kind of like a light bone shade, and we're just going to apply it as so. Next, I'm just going to dip into Serendipity, which is kind of like a mustard yellow shade, and I'm going to be applying that to the crease and diffusing it into the upper crease. Next, I'm just picking up Cryptic, which is kind of like a burnt orange shade, and I'm applying that to the outer V and the outer third of my crease, just to give some added definition to that area. For even more definition to the outer V, I'm going in with this brown shade. It's kind of like a warm tone brown shade. It's called Cozy, and we're just going to apply that there with a small, slightly fluffy brush and blend that out into the crease, upper crease, and kind of diffuse it into the lid a little bit. For the lids, I'm picking up Tickled, which is a shimmery golden shade, but first I'm going to apply some Too Faced glitter glue all over the lids just so we can make sure those shimmers are on and poppin' and really stand out. For my upper lash mascara, I'm using my favorite, which is the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. And we're going to magically pop on some wings with the Prestige Cosmetics Liquid Eyeliner. Next, I'm going to add some glitter, because what's life without some glitter? I'm using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy, which is a gold liquid eyeliner glitter, but it's got some like silveryness to it. Like that's like the best way I could describe it. Moving on to the face, we are going to prime with the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. Girl, if you want your makeup to last through this crazy summer heat, try using this first, because this stuff is the bomb. For foundation, I'm using my current favorite. This is the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation in the shade Light Medium. It gets to like a light to medium coverage. I prefer like a lighter coverage lately, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buff that all over the skin. I was pointing out how my headband left like an indentation. It looks so weird, but what else? We'll cover it up. That's what foundation's for, right? To conceal under my eyes and hit any other problem areas that I have on my face, I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Classic Beige. This shade in particular has kind of like a pinky undertone to it, which I like because it helps to cancel out any darkness or any hyperpigmentation that I have on my skin right now. Now to set this bad boy, I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Minerals in the shade Banana. It's going to look real yellow for a little bit here, but trust the process. We'll work it out by the end of the video. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the areas that I tend to crease mainly, and we're just going to buff it all out in all the other areas of my face. To finish the eyes, I'm taking Exclusive, which is a champagne shimmery shade, and I'm just popping that into the inner corners. I'm also going to be adding some of that glitter liner to the inner third of my lower lash line. And then we're going to pop on some mascara. I'm using the Lash Boss Mascara by Loreal for my lower lashes. I really love this brush, and I feel like it works really well for the lower lashes. And then for bronzer, I'm going in with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sun Bronze. And we're just going to hit the perimeter of the face, forehead, cheeks, chin, etc. And then I'm going in with the NYX Cheek Contour Duo Palette. And we're going to contour up a little bit just to get a little bit more definition. I especially love to contour my nose, make it look a little slimmer. And yeah, we're just going to do that. For blush, I'm just going to go in with Kylie's Pressed Blush Powder in the shade We're Going Shopping. And I'm just going to pop that onto the apples of the cheeks and blend it upwards. Kind of like a peachy shade, and I love it so much, especially for summer. And then to highlight, I'm going to put a highlight base down first. I'm using the Covergirl Clean Fresh Illuminateur in the shade So Guilty. It's kind of like a champagne shade. And you could totally use this by itself, but I'm just going to use this as a base. And then I'm going to go in with the Covergirl True Blend Super Stunner Hyper Glow highlighter in the shade Gilded Glory, and we're really gonna glow here, girls. Get our J-Lo glow on. It's about to be a hot girl summer. So I've been really digging freckles lately. I naturally have a bunch of freckles, but since they get covered by foundation and concealer and all that jazz, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some faux freckles on top of my makeup. So I'm using this Brow Pro Micro Precision Stroke Pen. It's technically for the brows, but I feel like it works really nicely at creating faux freckles. For lips, I freaking love this combo. This is the Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lip in the shade Bare, and I'm using the Iced Latte Lip Liner. And lastly, I'm just going to spritz on some L'Oreal Shake and Glow Dew Mist. And this is the final look. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. What do you guys think of the look? Let me know in the comments below, and thumbs up the video if you guys like this and you want to see more makeup tutorials from me. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done makeup tutorials, but I'm really excited to just be finally getting back into it, and I definitely want to do more soon. So let me know if you guys want more of these types of videos by liking it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.